अन्नात् भवन्ति भूतानि प्रजन्नात् अन्नसम्भवः यज्ञात् भवति प्रजन्नो यज्ञकर्मसमुद्भवः अन्नात् भवन्ति भूतानि प्रजन्नात् अन्नसम्भवः यज्ञात् भवति प्रजन्नो यज्ञकर्मसमुद्भवः Bhagavad Gita, chapter number 3, verse number 11. All living beings subsists on food, and food is produced by rains. Rains come from the performance of sacrifice, and sacrifice is produced by the performance of prescribed duties. Here, Lord Krishna is describing the cycle of nature. Rain begets grains. Grains are eaten and transformed into blood. From blood, semen is created. Semen is the seed from which the human body is created. Human beings perform yajna, and this propitiated the celestial gods, who then cause rains, and so the cycle continues. Food grains or vegetables are factually eatables. The human being eats different kinds of food grains, vegetables, fruits, etc. And the animals eat the refuse of the food, grains and vegetables, grass, plants, etc. Human beings who are accustomed to eating meat and flesh must also depend on the production of vegetation in order to eat the animals. Therefore, ultimately, we have to depend on the production of the field and not on the production of big factories. The field production is due to sufficient rain from the sky, and such rains are controlled by demigods like Indra, sun, moon, etc., and they are all servants of the Lord. The Lord can be satisfied by sacrifices. Therefore, one who cannot perform them will find himself in scarcity. That is the law of nature. Yajna, especially the Sankirtana Yajna prescribed for this age, must therefore be performed to save us, at least from scarcity of food supply. Hare Krishna.